Good morning, guys. I'm going to bring you along on a what I eat in a day video today. I am out early this morning getting my blood drawn. I'm a little bit early to the lab, so I'm going to sit here and chat with you for a few minutes before I head in. And then, of course, I haven't eaten anything yet. I have two bananas sitting here for after I am done. Because I do need to be fasting for these blood labs. I will probably also stop and get a coffee on the way home. I also have my Element sitting here waiting for me. Now, sometimes people will say it's fine to drink electrolytes before, it still counts as fasting. I don't know, probably the plain ones, probably fine, but don't quote me. I'm not an expert. But the flavored ones, I'm always just like, I should probably just wait until after I get my blood drawn for the flavored ones. So I have this sitting here waiting for me. This video today is sponsored by Element, so a big thank you to Element. Element is an electrolyte supplement that I carry with me wherever I go, even if it's first thing in the morning. Out to get my blood work done. I've been using Element for several years now. My family also uses it. It is my favorite electrolyte supplement. I love how it makes me feel, keeps me hydrated, and I love the flavors, lots of fruity, refreshing flavors, as well as warm, chocolatey flavors. If you would like to give Element a try, you can get a free sample pack just by using my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link, place an order for anything on the website, and you will automatically get a free sample pack added to your order. The sample pack has 8 sticks in it, 2 sticks of each of their 4 most popular fruit flavors, so you can check them out or pass them on to a friend. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring the video today. So one thing that I wanted to chat about here that I have not mentioned yet, but is big news, is that my daughter had her baby a couple weeks ago, and everything went great, and he is the sweetest. So I am a grandmother officially now, and my grandson is, he's the cutest grandson anyone ever had. So there's that. So that is my big excitement for the summer. So I am going to just sit here and get my blood drawn here in just a minute. And then I am going to get some coffee. I got to run a couple of errands. I need to go over to New Seasons. It's right over here, so it's very convenient. I have to go drop off a package. There's just a few little things I have to do, and then I will head home. We do kind of have a busy day today. I am picking up my Azure standard order, so I will show you that when I pick that up this afternoon. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, I'll just bring you along for whatever we end up doing. Got my blood work done, headed into New Seasons now. Nothing too exciting here, just some hair care stuff. I had a gift card for Starbucks, so I used it up on a latte. I just got a regular latte. I used to get Brave lattes on keto. Now I get 2% lattes. Got my coffee drunk, got my package dropped off, got my hair care stuff that I needed at New Seasons, and I'm ready to head home. Although I wish there was something else that I needed to do, because it's kind of nice being out all by myself in the morning. But it's nice being home too, so we'll head back home. It's almost 10 a.m. and I'm having a bigger breakfast. I had those 2 bananas this morning, and then the latte. That's all I've had so far. So I'm going to have an actual breakfast of some steel-cut oatmeal. I have been using this. These steel-cut oats, they're sprouted and they're organic, and I've been doing really well with them, and they're really tasty. So I've been enjoying that. And I have a banana cut up on here and some plum jam that I made. I made this the other night, and I have it sitting here. I need to label it and get it put away, but it turned out really good. It's very tasty. So that is going to be my second half to my breakfast. It has been 1 hour since I had my oatmeal, and my blood sugar is at 78. And this is 2 hours after my oatmeal. It is time for lunch, and I am having a teriyaki chicken and rice bowl. I had some chicken breasts that I had grilled. I marinated them in teriyaki sauce and grilled them. And I just did a whole bunch, so I had them in the fridge ready to go. I have, I think, 7 ounces of jasmine rice down at the bottom, and then a whole bunch of stir-fried vegetables. It was some yellow squash, some bell peppers, and mushrooms. Oh, and snow peas. And then I have some bean sprouts and green onions and toasted sesame seeds on top. I am also going to have a kombucha with my lunch. I still had a pile of these Italian plums to work through, and they were getting pretty ripe, so I needed to do something with them. So I am making some slow cooker brown sugar plum butter. I'll put the link to it. I don't see the link on here, but I'll put the link to it down in the description. Just going to try it out, see how it turns out. 1 hour after teriyaki rice bowl. 2 hours after rice bowl, 87. I'm having my second more protein heavy meal of the day. I usually have only 1 or 2 protein heavy meals in the day. This one is some Greek yogurt. I just had one of these non-fat Greek yogurt cups from Trader Joe's. I added in 1 scoop of the horchata collagen from Marigold Foods. If you have not tried this one, it is really, really good, really cinnamony and delicious. So I mix that into the yogurt, and then I have a chopped up banana and a couple tablespoons of blackberry jam that I made a while back from the blackberries on our property. The evening has ended up being busier than I anticipated, so I didn't get blood sugar for dinner. And it's about 7 p.m. now, and this is going to be my last snack meal of the day. I'm having some grapes and some rice cakes. They're just plain, so I'm going to sprinkle them with ranch seasoning. I did pick up the Azure Standard order, but there was like a mix-up, and so I got some wrong items, and somebody else got my items, and so we're making a switch. So I will show you my order when that gets all sorted out. Here is what I ordered from Azure Standard. I have 3 bags down here that are chicken feed components, so I won't show you that. We decided to try some different varieties of rice cakes. These are the thin rice cakes from Lundberg. Got the basil and thyme and got the black pepper. I'm gonna check those out. And then I got 2 big bags of tapioca pearls. Talia has been experimenting with doing different recipes with tapioca pearls, including just using them like boba in boba tea. So she needed some more of those. And then the last thing that I got is already out in the garage, and it is 2 cases of the einkorn flour. I've showed you guys that a bunch of times, that I used for baking bread. And we needed to stock up, and it was on sale again, so I went ahead and got 2 cases.